Brad Williams, XL Prime. Again, we're going to use the min function, but here it's all about incentives. We have incentives, but it's capped. What does that mean? We're going to look at a project. We have a project savings, and if you can save the company some money, we're going to give you a bit of an incentive, up to 15%, but not over $2,000. In other words, if you save the company $1 million, the max they're going to give you is $2,000. What we're looking at here is determining what's 15% of $14,000 going to be above $2,000. It's just over $2,000. The incentive is 15%. What we have to determine is at what point do we exceed the max of $2,000. Min C5 times 15, and if it exceeds $2,000, well, we're going to cap it at $2,000. So it's looking for up to $2,000, and here the project savings is $20,000, but the 15% is $3,000. I'm going to provide you the minimum number. Got it? $20,000 times 15% is $3,000, but min saying, we're capping this at $2,000. Got it? Here's the layout. If you need to read it, go ahead. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.